It is time for you guys to define yourself by the future and not by your past. We have the power to make our lives. The key is you don't give up on what.
Legacy is not just a legacy of wealth, but
a life where they're fruitful.
To inspire others, to inspire change, to give hope to people who
I will be able to move into the dream house that I wanted.
I dream and plan to make programs focusing on single mother.
Every success story begins with a clear, vivid dream. Your life scenario is the canvas where you paint your future in bold colors. Keep writing even when it feels repetitive. Keep dreaming even when it feels distant. The end of your life scenario is not just a dream. It's your reality waiting for you. In the end, you will meet the person you always dreamed of becoming.